Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all full fit and fine and fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the time of evening and the sun is setting out on the west sky. Some farmers are spraying insecticides on their land because the insects are cutting their baby maize plant or corn plant, and this is the not time to cut the baby plant. But this year the insects are cutting the plant very early age, so they are very unhappy and that's why they are spreading their insecticides. You are watching that Ilyas, my small brother, just come here whenever he see me they to record this video and come here and just sit beside me. Okay, I please pray for my small brother Ilyas. He is very pious and intelligent, obedient and very gentleman in our area, so please pray for me. I was the light are gradually decrease in this area and the dog are coming, but we have to get out from this place. So no more today. Bye bye.